Welcome! It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
Obstetricians extremely surprised to see this in the cam of a newborn baby. Doctors see all sorts of stuff when working with patients, and it takes a lot to shock them. So when a strange object came out with him, an obstetrician in Vietnam could not help so take a picture of a boy. The baby boy was born in Haiphong International Hospital in northern Vietnam in Haiphong. Immediately after he came out of the womb, he was accompanied by IUD, intrauterine device from his mother, local reports say. It was initially assumed that the baby was born carrying the IUD, but Vietnamese sources claim it was put in the baby's hand by medical staff. Dr. Tran Viet Phung caught the moment and shared the images Tuesday, June 30th on Facebook. The baby boy is seen in the images carrying a black and yellow contraceptive coil. As of press time, the post has received over 3,500 likes and more than 4,000 comments. I thought it was cool to see him keep the unit after delivery, so I took a photo. I never thought it was going to get so much coverage, Dr. Fong said to local media. According to Yahoo News 2 years ago, the baby's 34-year-old mom had the IUD. It actually dropped out naturally, which contributed to the birth. IUDs are birth control devices in T-shaped form that are implanted into the uterus. According to Planned Parenthood, IUDs are more than 99% effective in preventing pregnancy, and unlike contraceptives or birth control pills, there is almost no risk that people will abuse or neglect them. Nevertheless, conceiving unintentionally because of a faulty IUD may be dangerous because it could lead to an ectopic pregnancy or one that happens outside the uterus. Ectopic pregnancies also form in fallopian tubes, which will then cause the tubes to burst and lead to life-threatening bleeding. However, the new mother had a healthy birth in Vietnam and now has a new baby boy weighing 3.2 kilograms. He meets his other two siblings. After her baby's pictures went viral, netizens expressed their congratulations. Of course, they didn't get confused on the irony of a baby coming out of the womb with a contraceptive.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.